Hey guys, welcome to another episode of SEO on Air. This time we are back, me and Dilip. We are here to discuss about, what else? It's about the Google algorithm update. So it just, of course, it's not an algorithm update. It's a refresh that happened, I think, about 24 hours back, Dilip.
Yes.
Right. So so let's jump in. Let's see what's cooking. Dilip, over to you, man.
Yeah. Okay. Let me share the screen.
Yep.
So yeah. So this talk about algorithm update has been there for almost like a week. So I think they have been slowly rolling back a few of the signals that was launched during the May update. So that was there. If you check the Moz bar, you can see there is a little bit of fluctuation happening during the last whole week, but it
Right.
kind of spiked in on the 23rd. So that is when we think that most of the signals that they have retrieved, they have taken back, that has happened during 23rd. So
Okay.
again today also there is a slight fluctuation, but not as big as on 23rd. So the same, you can see there is huge spike in SEMrush sensor also.
Yeah.
So this is something
9.2.
real. So it's not that only one sensor has taken it up. Almost all sensors that I usually focus, they have picked this particular fluctuation. So
Yep.
this is real. So something really, some real fluctuations have happened on SERP, and I, with my research as of now, I have understood that it's most of the websites that have got affected were either the ones which lost the rankings during the May update, or newer ones which were not impacted by the update which happened on May. So
Mm.
here is a small analysis that I did. So you have in SEMrush a few winners and losers list. So what I did is I analyzed the few winners of this May 23rd. You can see June
Yep.
23rd, sorry. June
Mm.
23rd, I analyzed a few winners, and you can see the data here. So these are top players in the industry. You can see they have a pretty good amount of organic result search coming every month. So here you can see this is the month of May. Soon after the algorithm update was launched, there was a huge dip
They
in
have gone
traffic.
down. Mm.
You can see
Yeah.
until
Close to
yesterday.
20% drop.
Yes, until
Mm.
yesterday there was a drop, but
Mm.
now you can see they are in the winners list. Furnitures today, so you can
Oh,
see
okay. Furniture today.
furnitures today is. Once again.
It's in the shopping.
No. I think I select the health sector. I said I have to
Yeah.
select this. So see, they are in the winners list today.
Right.
So again, to take another example, so here is another website which is also getting tons of traffic. So these
Yep.
websites, for them, 3% decrease means huge.
Mm.
So
Yep.
for smaller websites, it won't be that great, but for bigger websites, 3.4 percentage decrease is huge. So here also you can see they have been losing traffic.
Wow.
Okay, so but again they are coming back on the winners list this time.
Mm. Okay.
You can see they are here.
Yep.
10 keywords have improved basically.
Right.
So this is a clear indication that Google has
It's a
taken
rollback.
back some of the
Mm.
signals.
Yep.
So uh, that is so this is something that we discussed during the last podcast also.
Yes.
So whenever something big happens like a broadcast update, there are genuine websites that might get affected.
Yep.
So Google doesn't want them to suffer until they launch a new broadcast update. So what they do is they kind of roll out this interim update so that they get more visibility on.
Yeah. Yeah. This is quite the standard these days that Google is following. So that's why, last time we told the people that, don't get panicked because of an update, because there is a chance that even good sites can get penalized, or maybe they get not penalized. I mean, they just get affected with the traffic. But yeah, now if you see here sites like the furniture and the Sims resources, I think they have now got back some of the traffic. I think in the coming days it should improve further as and
Yes.
when this refresh is rolled out globally. I think it should be back for their sites. So that's why the website owners shouldn't be panicking and shouldn't be just pushing the SEO guys that, hey, you guys did something wrong. So it's not that they did wrong. So it's just that these things are happening. These things, it's part and parcel of the industry that we are in. So it's good to know. So it's good that now it's clear that the rollback has happening. So feel free to keep up with the updates. So anything else that we have to cover in this, Dilip?
No,
Because
see,
unlike last time it was super big. I think
yeah,
this
yeah.
time it's like a rollback. It's
No,
just
because
that
this
this
is
time it's good news.
yeah obvious that Google has not announced it, so they won't announce also. But
Yep.
in the next one, in a week's time, we will get to know how good the impact has been for these sites, because right
Yep.
now we cannot check because the data is yet to come. So in a week's time, we will get to know how good these guys improved in terms of organic results.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Great. So that sums up the discussion, guys. If you have any comments, let us know. If you have any questions on this, feel free to also let us know if your site has improved, gained back traffic, or the more insights you give us, it will be helpful for us to deep dive this further. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.
Bye.